Let's get started. Select the picture which you want to make parallax effect, and import into Photoshop. Now cut the main image you want to animate. I am using lasso tool to cut it. I will just speed up the video to make it quick. It's done. Now click Ctrl+J to make it as new layer. We have got two different layers now. Press Ctrl and click on the layer 1. Now go to Select Modify and Smooth. I'm just making the radius as 3. And click OK. Now hide the eye icon for the layer 1. And select background layer. Go to Select Modify and Expand. I'm just making the radius as 15. And click OK. There we go. We can see the edges have expanded now. Now click Shift+5 and click OK. Boom. The main object has been removed now, and made it as a complete background image. Now we have got two separate layers. Export these two layers one by one. There we go. Now open Premiere Pro and import those two images. Let's drag these into timeline. Now select the main object layer and go to Effect Control. Click on the Scale keyframe. And increase the size to 110. Now go to the last frame of the image and set the size to 100. Now click the background layer. And set the size to 110 in last frame. Go to the first frame of the background layer. And set the size to 100. That's it, we have done. Now let's watch a preview. Now I am gonna add some particles effect to make it more beautiful. There we go. This is my final output. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. And subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment below the tutorials you needed. Peace.